the KitKat, a name that resonates with chocolate lovers across the globe. But what makes this simple confection so special? 2 crispy wafers enrobed in smooth milk chocolate. This perfect combination of texture and taste has been delighting taste buds for decades. A simple pleasure enjoyed by millions around the world. Whether it's a quick snack during a busy day or a moment of indulgence, KitKat has become a part of our daily lives. But have you ever wondered about the journey this iconic treat takes from factory to your fingertips? The process is a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation. First produced in 1935 in York, England, the KitKat has become a global phenomenon. Its history is rich and storied, reflecting the evolution of the chocolate industry itself. More than 17 billion KitKat fingers are consumed annually. That's enough to circle the Earth over 150 times. This staggering number speaks volumes about its popularity. What is the secret behind its enduring appeal? Is it the unique blend of ingredients, the meticulous production process, or the emotional connection people have with this chocolate bar? Join us as we go behind the scenes at the KitKat factory to uncover the magic behind this beloved treat. From the selection of the finest cocoa beans to the final packaging, every step is a testament to quality and passion. It all starts with the cocoa beans, sourced from sustainable farms around the world. These beans are carefully selected to ensure the highest quality chocolate. The beans are then roasted and ground to create a rich cocoa mass. This mass is mixed with other ingredients to form the smooth, creamy chocolate that coats every KitKat bar. Meanwhile, the wafers are baked to perfection, ensuring they have the right amount of crispiness. These wafers are then cut into the familiar fingers that we all recognize. The chocolate and wafers come together in a precise assembly process. Each KitKat bar is coated in a layer of chocolate, then cooled and packaged, ready to be enjoyed. From the factory, the KitKat bars are shipped to stores around the world. Whether you're in Tokyo, New York, or Paris, you can always find a KitKat to enjoy. KitKat's appeal transcends borders and cultures. With unique flavors tailored to different regions, it has become a global symbol of joy and sharing. Over the years, KitKat has also made its mark in popular culture, featuring in movies, advertisements, and even becoming a part of everyday language with the famous slogan, "Have a break, have a KitKat." The love for KitKat is evident in its fan base, with people sharing their KitKat moments on social media and creating fan art. It's more than just a chocolate bar, it's a beloved part of our lives. As we look to the future, KitKat continues to innovate, bringing new flavors and experiences to its fans. The journey of this iconic treat is far from over. So next time you enjoy a KitKat, remember the rich history, the meticulous process, and the global love that goes into every bite. KitKat, a timeless treat that continues to bring joy to millions. Our journey begins with the star ingredient chocolate. KitKat sources high-quality cocoa beans from sustainable farms around the world. Did you know that cocoa beans are actually seeds from the fruit of the cacao tree? Once harvested, the beans are fermented, dried, and roasted to develop their rich flavor. They are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. Sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter are added to the liquor to create the smooth, creamy milk chocolate that gives KitKat its signature taste. Next we move on to the heart of the KitKat, the crispy wafer. This delicate yet essential component is what gives KitKat its unique crunch and texture, making it a beloved treat worldwide. The journey of the wafer begins with the selection of high-quality ingredients. The wafer batter is a simple mix of wheat flour, sugar, yeast, and water. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed to ensure the perfect consistency. The mixing process is crucial, as it determines the texture and flavor of the final product. The industrial mixers used are designed to blend the ingredients uniformly, ensuring that every batch of batter meets the high standards required for KitKat production. It's all about precision and consistency. The batter is poured onto baking sheets with meticulous care. Factory workers and advanced machinery work in harmony to spread the batter evenly, ensuring that each wafer is of uniform thickness. This step is vital as it affects the baking process and the final texture of the wafer. The batter is poured onto large baking sheets and baked at high temperatures to create thin, crispy wafers. The baking process is closely monitored to ensure that the wafers are baked to perfection. The high temperatures help in achieving the desired crispiness, while the even distribution of heat ensures that the wafers are uniformly baked. These wafers are then carefully layered with a thin layer of chocolate between each, to to create the signature four-finger KitKat shape. The layering process is a delicate one, requiring precision to ensure that each layer of chocolate is evenly spread. This not only enhances the flavor but also contributes to the structural integrity of the KitKat bar. Fun fact: did you know that KitKat wafers have tiny air bubbles inside? These air bubbles are intentionally created during the mixing and baking process. They play a crucial role in giving the wafer its light and crispy texture, making each bite a delightful experience. These bubbles give the wafer its signature light and crispy texture. The presence of air bubbles also helps in enhancing the overall eating experience as they create a satisfying crunch that is synonymous with KitKat. The careful balance of ingredients, precision in mixing, and meticulous baking all come together to create the perfect wafer, which is then layered with chocolate to form the iconic KitKat bar. Now comes the exciting part: coating the wafers in chocolate. The layered wafers are passed through a curtain of warm, melted chocolate. This process is called enrobing. The chocolate coats the wafers evenly, creating a smooth and glossy finish. Excess chocolate is gently blown off, leaving a perfectly coated KitKat. The temperature of the chocolate is crucial. Too hot and it won't set properly, too cold and it won't flow evenly. Section 5. The cooling tunnel. Setting the stage for snap. Freshly coated KitKats then journey through a cooling tunnel. This is a crucial step in the production process as it ensures the chocolate coating sets perfectly. The cooling tunnel is a long enclosed space where the temperature is carefully controlled to bring the chocolate down to the ideal temperature. This tunnel rapidly cools the chocolate, causing it to harden and create that satisfying snap when you break off a finger. The cooling process is not just about hardening the chocolate, it also helps in locking in the flavor and ensuring the texture is just right. The speed at which the chocolate cools is critical to achieving the perfect balance between a firm snap and a smooth, creamy melt in your mouth. The cooling process is carefully controlled to ensure the chocolate sets evenly and maintains its glossy shine. Quality control is paramount at this stage. Factory workers meticulously check each batch of KitKats to ensure they meet the high standards of the brand. Any imperfections in the chocolate coating, such as uneven texture or lack of shine, are identified and corrected. The temperature and humidity inside the tunnel are precisely calibrated to achieve the perfect snap. Advanced digital controls allow technicians to monitor and adjust the conditions in real time. This ensures that every KitKat bar that comes out of the tunnel has the same consistent quality. The balance of temperature and humidity is crucial. Too much moisture can cause the chocolate to bloom, while too little can make it brittle. Fun fact: the cooling tunnel is kept at a chilly 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. This specific temperature range is optimal for setting the chocolate without causing any thermal shock. The cold storage area adjacent to the tunnel helps in maintaining this temperature consistently. Workers in this area often wear insulated clothing to stay warm, while they ensure the KitKats are cooled to perfection. The entire process, from coating to cooling, is a fine-tuned operation designed to deliver the perfect KitKat experience every time. Now cooled and ready, the KitKats move on to their final stage packaging. Automated machines carefully wrap each bar in its distinctive red and white foil. This airtight wrapping helps to preserve freshness and protect the chocolate from heat and moisture. Before being boxed and shipped, each KitKat undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Inspectors examine each bar to ensure it meets the highest standards of appearance, weight, and, of course, taste. Section 7. KitKat Curiosities. Did you know that Japan has over 300 KitKat flavors? From matcha green tea to wasabi, there's a KitKat flavor for every palate. In some cultures, KitKats are considered good luck charms, especially for students during exam time. The KitKat factory is a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to the simple yet enduring appeal of this iconic treat. From factory to you, the journey's end, and there you have it, the journey of a KitKat, from humble cocoa bean to a beloved treat enjoyed worldwide. Each step in the process, from sourcing the finest ingredients to the precision engineering of the factory, plays a crucial role in creating the KitKat's unique flavor and texture. Next time you unwrap a KitKat, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and care that goes into every bite. Section 9. A timeless treat. The enduring appeal of KitKat. The KitKat's enduring appeal lies in its simplicity. It's a perfect combination of crispy wafers and smooth milk chocolate. a timeless treat that transcends generations and cultures. Whether you enjoy it as a quick snack or a moment of indulgence, the KitKat continues to bring joy to millions around the world, one satisfying snap at a time.